I get here, I clock in, and then I start bringing in buggies if there's some out here. I like it. I was working at Food Giant at first, then I came here because I love it and I love staying busy. I like to be out on my own like I am here. Because workshop, we had work, but it's not like a Kroger's. My staff don't have to be there with me. It was really different.
Madison Haywood actually started in 1972. We closed our workshop back in April. The workshop was basically here in the facility, and we would go out to the plant and they would be paid a commensurate wage rate. If somebody could do in industry 100 pieces of something and be paid $10 an hour, if their abilities or their motivation was to only do 5, they made 50 cents in that hour.
I don't think if the workshop had closed, David would have ever tried to advance himself and find another job.
This happened on bills. And I buy stuff like if my lawnmower break down, I'll buy stuff like blades if they need it.
It seems like everybody that David interacts with, they really enjoy being around David.
You have a nice day.
On his new job, he's meeting people, and you know, he wasn't miserable at his old job. He'll tell you that he loved all of his coworkers. He loved his supervisors. It was just the hours that they couldn't give him any more hours, and so David started looking on his own and found a new job.
I like doing what I'm doing, you know. I like doing stuff for people. They may can help me one day